Hi, we're at IBC 2022 and we're talking to Karol from Irix. Hello, Karol. And you're holding in your hand an interesting prototype matte box. So what can you tell us about it?
Yeah, this is our new design matte box. We designed this product because of our customers. As you know, all the lenses that we are doing for the Cine, they have a magnetic mount system which allows to use our magnetic filters on them. It's super fast. And a lot of our customers, they love them. So they were asking us if it's possible to do in somehow a product which will allow them to use our filters also with other lenses. That's why we designed this matte box. Of course, it can be used as the regular matte box, but besides that, you can use it as a base for our magnetic filters. You can simply put it here, and it works exactly in the same way as on our lenses. The matte box is designed with the native 95mm mount for the housing of the lens, but also we will have adapters for other sizes and also for the thread mount. So you will be able to use it on the thread with the, for example, steel lens if you are using
sure.
it.
So you can use it with your lenses, other Cine lenses, and basically any other lens with adapters.
Exactly. That's the idea.
Okay. And in terms of how wide of a lens you can actually use with these filters on this matte box?
We tested it with our 15, and our 15mm on full frame is absolutely okay. So up to 15mm you can use it.
Yeah. So below if you want to super wide, that
that can be problematic.
Yeah. Okay. And this is currently still in development, right?
Yes, we expect it will be ready in about 1 or maybe 2 months, and the retail price should be roughly around 80 euros.
So very, very affordable.
That's a basic product, so we would like to keep it with the affordable price.
And in terms of the filters itself, they've been around for some time now, right?
Yes,
magnetic
Our
filters.
filters are already on the market. We have a selection of NDs with different densities. We have variable ND, we also have CPL, and we have a protection.
Okay, so you have basically almost the full range. I mean, outside of like specialty filters.
Exactly.
Maybe that will come in the future as well. Thank you very much.